Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a homemade meal, another homemade meal for you guys. Now this is a salmon meal. Now I know I made this before, but the quality of that video was bad and I wanted to redo this video. I had a new camera and I couldn't figure out how to use it, but let me just show you what I got. Okay, so right here is a sweet potato, like a baked sweet potato. Then here's just some spinach. And this is the salmon, guys. Alright, let me just give you another close-up. Alright, another close-up, spinach, sweet potato, and the salmon right here. Alright, and to drink, I have this kombucha drink. This is what it looks like. I got it at Whole Foods. It's like a tropical flavor. Whoa. I shook it before for a few minutes because everything was on the bottom. That's really good. Alright, let's try the salmon. Looks really done, really good. That is good. Now there's a special way how to cook the salmon. Let me tell you in a second how I made it. So tender, so juicy. Alright, so how I made this salmon. It's actually got it from allrecipes.com and it got really good reviews. So basically what I did with this, I just put like the salmon in the foil. Before that I marinated it with some like soy sauce, also with maple syrup, garlic, salt, and some actually little raw garlic, and I mixed it. So that was the marinade, and did it for like 30 minutes or so. You don't have to marinate it, but it helps make the salmon really tender. And cooked it for 20 minutes in 400-degree oven or toaster oven. If you guys want to see a recipe on how I did this step by step, I have a video on my Karebear channel where I do my food reviews and vlogs. I also have a few recipes on that channel. I'll tell you step by step how to do it. I also show you guys how to make really crispy and moist baked potatoes if you're interested in that. So I'm going to leave that link in the description down below. You can check out how to make this salmon really great and tender. And also, guys, I'm getting a lot of requests. They want my brother to be in my videos. They're like, hey, put your brother in your videos. He's really funny. Or get your mom in your videos. Just let you guys know, they live 8 hours from me. They live in San Diego. I live in the Bay Area. So that's not going to happen very soon. But me, my mom, and my brother, we did quite a few videos together, and I know me and my brother did a couple food reviews at Denny's, some pancakes. We did a mukbang / food review on the Grand Mac. That was really fun. And we also did a few food reviews. So I'm gonna try to find the links where me, my mom, my brother, mostly me and my brother, did some food reviews together. I'm gonna put them on the description down below because a lot of people are asking me about put your brother in the videos, put your mom back. So just look in the description box when you're done with this video and you can check out the videos we did together. I really like our video we did with the Big Mac. It's like a mukbang video and a review of the Grand Mac. That was a really good video. So I did want to tell you guys about a good movie I saw on Netflix. Now this movie on Netflix is an original movie. The movie is called 1922. It's hard to give away, like, tell you the whole, I can tell you a little bit about it. I don't want to tell you everything about it, but I could just tell you the premise of the movie. It's basically a family living in the country, not the city. The wife wants to leave, the husband wants to stay in the country, and things happen, and it's a very dark movie. If you like dark movies, I think you would like it. It's not like a happy movie. It's very dark. But I do recommend it. If you guys want to check out this movie, I'll leave the trailer in the description down below. You can check it out. I think it's a great movie. It's an original movie. How I found out about this movie, I didn't even know it existed. So I was researching on Netflix, you know, what are some really good TV shows, what's some good movies to watch on Netflix. I was getting bored of what I was watching right now. And people were like saying top 10 TV shows, top 10 movies. And one of the top comments was, you forgot about the movie 1922. And I'm like, what's that about? And so I saw the trailer. I was like, oh my god, I have to watch that movie. It's really good. If I would have to rate it, I'll probably rate it 4.5 out of 5, just because it's a little dark. But other than that, it's really good. So thirsty. So I have been a little bit low on energy lately, and I was reading about potassium, and they're like saying if you don't have a lot of potassium in your body, that can create low energy in your body. They also said if you move your legs a lot before bed and you're having trouble sleeping, that's also a sign of potassium, a little bit of potassium. And I think maybe I have that a little bit. So all these foods here have a lot of potassium. The salmon has potassium, the sweet potato, and the spinach. They're all really high in potassium. So this is a very high potassium meal. It's actually also a very healthy meal. It's really good. It's so good. So let me know how you guys make your salmon. If you make salmon, I'm curious, like, are any fish? I want to try more fish recipes. This fish is really good for you. So I really love the salmon. It's very fresh. I won't buy any frozen fish or frozen. I like to get it at the like Whole Foods or some meat department and just make it. So this long fish salmon right here costs like $3. So it's a really reasonable deal. So if I just get that and get some vegetables, like you have yourself a really good meal. But I just love the recipe that I have for the salmon. It makes it kind of sweet. And it has that little bit of that soy sauce flavor. It's really good. I would recommend it. So I'm curious if you ever make any fish recipes. I'm curious what they are. But this is good. That's really good. Let's have a little story time to tell you guys. I know you guys like to hear about my story times. A lot of people ask about my brother and my mom. Why don't I move to San Diego? I don't think they realize I have family out here as well. I live with my sister and their kids. And 3 to 5 years, they might leave California and move to a different state, and I might go with them. I don't know. When you live with people, guys, your family, you just get closer. You really do. I wasn't really that close with them. No, I was close, but not. But I'm just living with them. You're just super close. It's like really weird. So back to my brother and my mom. Like I said, they live in San Diego, but a year and a half ago, we all lived out in the Bay Area, guys. We all were a family, and we all lived in the Bay Area. So my mom's dad passed away about 1.5 years ago. And so, because he passed away, she was entitled to his house. So the reason why she's living in San Diego right now is because she got the house in San Diego. So that's why she's living in San Diego. And so she decided to move. So I do see my mom a lot less. So when she was living in Vallejo, it was really cool. I would probably see her maybe twice a month because I was really busy working my other jobs. But so we would make dinners, like one person would make a dinner, the other person would make a dinner. We would like, you know, like one week I would make her dinner, the other week she would make me dinner. So it was really a special time we had together. And actually, if you check that salmon dinner, I'll leave the link in the description down below. That was filmed at her house like years ago. And so it was a really cool special bonding. But since she left, I don't see my mom that much. I can't afford to, you know, miss work and the money. So my brother was having a hard time. He couldn't really find a job in the area, so he decided to live with my mom in San Diego. And so it works out for both of them because, you know, my mom is getting older and she can't do a lot of physical stuff, and so he does help her out. You know, he helps with the housework, that type of stuff. So now they live in San Diego. They've been living there about for 1.5 years. It took a while to adjust, and it was just kind of hard. You know, on me, both my sisters, you know, the adjustment. But just want to give you guys a story time about my brother, my mom, and you know, they used to live in the Bay Area. It was really cool. We would see each other. I would see my mom a lot more than I do now. And honestly, if I got a house in San Diego, I'll probably move to San Diego too. I mean, honestly, that's what I'd probably do. I'm not gonna lie, guys. But I do miss bonding stuff I had with my mom. It was really special. You know, it was really nice. But I really don't know how long I'm going to be living in California. Getting too crazy out here. Too many people. Traffic is getting worse. It's very expensive. You know, when I did that breakfast burrito at that cafe, that video, this guy was like, I was talking about like trying to get an apartment and I need 3 jobs. And this guy is like, you're trying to live in the most expensive area. I'm like, yeah. Well, number one, I'm not trying. I already am. I live here already. Number 2, yeah. I live in the most expensive area, I think, ever. More expensive than LA. More expensive than New York. It's crazy here. Yeah, but my sisters and the kids and her husband, they might leave. They might go to Wyoming. They might go to Nevada. I don't know. I might go with them. I might stay here. I have no idea what's going to happen. I have no idea. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that meal. It was very, very good. Highly recommend a nice salmon meal if you ever crave salmon. Alright, see you in the next video, guys. Peace.